presenting Reslash, a very flexible all-from-one platform that allows you to build a virtual space to connect, collaborate, learn, and socialize in a simple, realistic way. With Reslash, shuffle things around. Find your creative professional side or build the virtual space according to your mood, from a chill bar lounge to a professional boardroom. With Reslash, you can make brainstorming easy with multiple whiteboards, screen shares, and apps in one space. For all this and more, Reslash is considered an excellent alternative to other popular services such as Zoom and Gather.town. Reslash is excellent for teams, collaborators, teachers, and friends looking for a new way to create an inviting virtual space for gatherings.
Check out how Reslash allows you to bring your custom backgrounds, images, GIFs, and apps to build your own personalized virtual space. Like that, you can have fun owning your place. Considering that Reslash allows you to host multiple conversations in the same space, and since anyone can freely move around, feel free to join the exciting conversations around at any time. You will be able to do something very close to real life. Some people call it proximity chat. It's a way to move closer to a person's bubble on the screen to hear the conversation and move away when you're done. Quick offer. If you like what you are hearing about Reslash, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one.
You can indeed have much fun with these virtual hangouts. Reslash makes it possible, and you will feel those people as closely as it gets. Some great use cases for Reslash include planning a casual meeting or virtual get-togethers with your friends. Whether to share music playlists for real or watch YouTube videos that play in sync so that everyone can enjoy the content simultaneously. Hey, watch parties just got a whole lot cooler with Reslash. Playing games together in a virtual environment designed for entertainment is a very relaxed and gratifying way to spice up your next virtual happy hour or family gathering.
Your group of friends and colleagues can join you without the need of leaving the comfort of their rooms, just for the fun of a nice watch party or for playing some games, as you can see here with the movie theater screen. In the professional use of this environment, you can have conductive team meetings to sharing ideas and collaborating. Think outside the video meeting grid. Reslash lets you collaborate just like a brainstorm meeting in real life, using multiple Google Docs, whiteboards, and screen shares. There's no need to join another call when you have to regroup your team because you have multiple groups working within a single space. That's the kind of thing that Reslash can do for you.
Collaborate directly on apps like Google Docs or Miro by sharing multiple screens at once. Let's make those meetings more effective. Reslash makes communication and collaboration enjoyable, letting you create a space that matches the tone of your gathering with tools and features specifically designed to make it simpler and easier for you. With the Reslash virtual space, you will never have another boring video call again. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our other videos for many excellent deals on software. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.